this country is basically competitive and has properly acquired all the requirements to be an active and productive European partner. And many of your companies know pretty well already a part of Europe, which is Central Europe, and also Southeast Europe. So, of course, every market is slightly different because the consumer habits, the investors' habits may be a bit different. But our country has become much more European too. So it will not be a discovery for people reaching France to make business. They will not be surprised if they compare with what they have experienced in Germany or in Switzerland or in Czech Republic. I think we are more and more aligned in a way. Second, I think there is a potential sympathy, a potential friendly approach to Slovenia, because we have get used to know better this country and to understand all the familiar links we can have and all the common aspirations we can have. So someone coming from Slovenia and explaining that he's trying to get more contacts in France will be welcome, certainly. So I'm confident that we will expand, we will increase the number of business relations, of business connections between our two countries, because that's what Europe is about. And we feel at ease within Europe, both our countries, so we should meet more often and more fruitfully.